You've crushed enemies and made yourself indispensable. Now, learn when to disappear. Law 16. Use absence to increase respect and honor. Familiarity breeds contempt. If you are always present, your value drops. Withdraw. Disappear. Let them wonder, miss, and finally beg for your return. An absent statue is polished more often than one in the town square. The Persian courtiers would vanish for months just to make the king crave their counsel. Absence is not neglect, it is strategy. Law 17. Keep others in suspended terror. Cultivate an air of unpredictability. Predictable people are easy targets. Be deliberately inconsistent. One day, generous. The next day, harsh. Laugh at something, then rage at the same thing. No one can plan against a ghost. Keep them guessing. Keep them afraid. Lorenzo de' Medici would praise a man publicly and exile him privately on the same afternoon. His enemies never slept. Law 18. Do not build fortresses to protect yourself. Isolation is dangerous. Walls trap you as much as they protect you. Hide behind guards and gates, and you lose touch with reality. You become ignorant, paranoid, and weak. Mix with people. Listen to the crowd. A single servant's whisper can save your head. Marie Antoinette played in her gilded palace while Paris starved. The fortress didn't save her. The guillotine did not care for walls. Law 19. Know who you're dealing with. Do not offend the wrong person. Choose your battles like an assassin chooses targets. Some people are bombs wrapped in skin. Insult a proud man, and he'll forgive. Insult a vain man, and he'll plot. Insult a fool, and he'll forget. But insult the silent, patient one with a long memory? You've already lost. Learn their weakness. Learn their pride. Learn their grudges. Then, never step on the third rail. Law 20. Do not commit to anyone. Fools pledge loyalty. The wise stay free. Don't take sides. Don't join a faction. Remain the courted one. The prize that everyone wants and no one owns. The moment you commit, you become a tool. Stay independent. Stay dangerous. Queen Elizabeth I never married. She kept France, Spain, and every suitor dancing for decades. She belonged to no one, so everyone belonged to her. Chapters 16 through 20. Absence, unpredictability, engagement, targeting, independence. You are no longer playing the game. You are designing it. Next, chapters 21 through 25. The laws of surrender, misdirection, and the complete transformation of your image.